Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to install these Spider LED tail lights on my 997 Turbo. Got these from Amazon for I think a very good price, for about 300 bucks. Most of the other ones I've seen, some of the other popular brand by Deco or Dectane, and those run about $500-600 and up. So these are half that price, and they have read some quality issue on these particular brand, but hopefully they've improved the quality since then, since these been around for a few years now. Actually, the other brand is called Depot, and so it should be a quick, easy install. Just should be plug and play. Some of the other earlier models required you to install a resistor, or else you'll get some kind of error message, bulb that's out message, because LED draws less power. Some of the quality issues on some of them, I guess the LED driver would fail after a while, or you'll have condensation. Hopefully, again, I don't have those problems with these. Some of the instruction that mentioned about replacing the bulb, the fog light bulb here. I noticed this already has it, so I don't know. I don't think I have to swap it with the ones in the factory. The other thing is, good thing these are packed pretty well during shipping. I was worried that this corner could have easily broke during shipping. So installation should be super easy. Just a couple of T25 Torx screws here, and then should just slide out and disconnect one wiring harness. Okay, it looks like I did it the hard way. You had to remove the the OEM bracket, removing that screw, and then transferring this to the LED lights. So what I did instead was mounted it with a modified screw in the center. So this would have been so much easier, so I'm going to do that. Okay, here's what the hazard looks like. Okay, that's what the brake light looks like. Looks good. So let me know what you think. Please comment below, and if you want to see more upgrades on my car, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.